Welcome to JV's Garage, everybody, where I'm probably the most stupid person on YouTube. This channel, you're going to find me doing the wrong thing the right way. Today, we are working on the Explorer ST. If you've ever had one of these, you've had these go wrong, these fail. It's a Ford problem. There's the old one. That's not a factory Ford part. That's one I've already replaced. So, yeah, basically we just take this piece, cut it out, get back over there, cut it out, use it as a template. That's how much material we're removing. Cut to size, boom, weld in, done. Slap it back in the car. This is a problem. These are gonna go bad again. This is my third time doing this in a year and a half. Now you say, JV, oh, that's a lot. Well, yeah, but I drive to Arizona and back quite often, like twice a month. So that was 70,000 K ago, those ones. And if you have downpipes and exhaust like I do on this thing, you're gonna hear it more than if it were stock. So yeah, guys, cut, weld, replace. I'll get some sound clips once it's buttoned back up. We'll hear what it sounds like. All right, guys, we're all buttoned up here. New pipes in, or not new pipes, but new flex pipes, I guess. Here's a look at my exhaust setup. My 50 state legal down pipes. Stock, call them mid pipes, I guess. With the fourth set of flex pipes in them. Factory resonator. Sorry guys, this is gonna be an awful quality. Factory resonator. To an MBRP muffler delete axle back. Sounds good, guys. Raspy, not over the top because of the factory resonator. Quiet when you're cruising, but loud when you get on her. What's JV doing? What's JV doing with this ratchet strap? Well, if your mid pipes don't quite line up into the second mid pipe resonator, if it's off angle just a little bit, it'll fight you to hell and back. So just suck the exhaust up with a ratchet strap. Then we come take a mallet, and be careful, this is gonna be loud maybe. Just do taps and it'll suck its way in. And we can drop the strap. Just like that. All right, let's listen to what she sounds like now. All right, guys, don't worry about that smoke. It's just oil inside. Sprayed a bunch of WD-40 in the pipes just to help slip them on. Sounds good, rowdy. Sounds good. Again, don't worry about that smoke. WD-40 in the exhaust and stuff. Not worried about it, not in the slightest. All right, guys, until next time, take it easy. Thanks for watching.